Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Tasty Bite Hub. Today, I have a treat for you that'll warm your soul and awaken your senses. A spiced chai latte that's perfect for those cozy mornings. Let's dive right into this soothing recipe. First things first, let's start by getting our brew going. In goes our water, and now our tea leaves and those aromatic whole spices. Let them dance together in the warmth, releasing those beautiful flavors. And don't forget the fresh ginger, grated right in after a few minutes of simmering. It's time to add our milk. Watch as the mixture transforms into that lovely chai color. Oh, and don't miss the sweetener. A touch of sweetness is key. Now comes the exciting part. We're straining the chai into our favorite mug. Just look at that beautiful, fragrant liquid flowing in. Can you smell it? Delightful. If you're feeling fancy, a sprinkle of cinnamon or a pinch of nutmeg on top adds that final touch of elegance. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. Time to taste. Ah, the warmth, the spice, the comfort. It's like a hug in a mug. And there you have it, our soothing spiced chai latte. I hope you enjoyed making this just as much as I did. Remember, this recipe is all about cozy mornings and heartwarming moments. Thank you for joining me in making this heartwarming spiced chai latte. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay cozy, stay inspired, and until next time, keep cooking with love.